This is the horse gallop and jump project, and within this project, I have one large two together with pairings of with two pairings of two do togethers, and then one do together at the end, all of which are under a loop. This section is the horse galloping, moving forward, approaching the fence. In the first bit, with these two loops, we have the horse bobbing his head and moving his tail. And then the next few pairings of do togethers, and also in this loop, we have the legs moving and the legs turning to make it appear as if he's galloping, as well as a rider moving along with him. And then in the next section, we have, well, again, one large loop and a series of pairings of two togethers. And in this one, this mainly moves the lower legs and has the lower legs appear as if they're also moving while he's galloping. And in the final section, which takes place as soon as he reaches the fence, we have the horse jumping, which involves his neck moving, his legs moving, his vertical and horizontal movement, as well as the vertical and horizontal movement of the rider. And this again has one large loop and two do-togethers, which keep the sequence properly. And here is the project.